Hi, wanna know how to clean your Sony WF-C700N? So, as a first step, let's talk about what not to do with your charging case and also the earbuds. First thing is that we never use any sharp objects to don't accidentally damage our earbuds. And the second thing is that we never can dip our charging case or the earbuds inside any liquid, or we can spray it. We can't just contact with any liquids because this can easily damage them. And now let's start with our cleaning process. So today I'll be using these free brushes which I got from some Chinese cleaning kit tools for really a lot of different devices. Here is it how it looks, and these are just small brushes to clean the devices. And also this wipe, which is usually used to clean the glasses, but we can, with the help of this wipe off some dust and dirt. So as a first step, I highly recommend to take off the ear tips from your earbuds and then wash them under a warm water. Because the ear tips are fully removable, we can just pull them off like this with our two fingers and then wash them separately. But before you put them back on your earbuds, make sure that they are completely dry. And today I will start with the charging case. I'll take this brush to clean these holes which your earbuds are laying in when you don't use them. So I'll just start going inside like this with some circle movement to clean out some dirt and dust. As a next step, I'll take this other brush to clean these contacts which are responsible for the charging of your earbuds and really lightly go around them to remove the dirt and dust again. And also now to clean these bigger areas, I'll take this wipe and just lightly go around them, and also the lid of the charging case. This is really important. And also, if you have noticed that you got any dirt or dust and these stitches liners, which are located at the borders, we can also take the same brush and just lightly remove the things that you can see there, just like this. And this is it. We are done with the charging case. Now let's move on to our earbuds. So here we have a few options what to do. First one is just take some brush if you can see some not necessary dirt on it to clean it out, or if you can see that your earbuds are kind of dirty, you can take alcohol wipe, but make sure that the alcohol wipe is not too wet and the alcohol is not dripping from it. And if you're taking the wet wipe, we would need to wrap it around our finger like this, so we will get some more thinner wipe and just slowly go around our earbud like this to remove the dirt that you would like to remove. And I also highly recommend to be really colorful around the speaker and do not go inside it. Just go slowly around it with some circle movement, but never inside, because we will clean the inside with the help of dry brush. So after you have wiped all around the earbuds, now let's take some little brush and clean inside of the speakers, because I can see some dirt in there. So I'll take the brush like this and then just really lightly go inside the speaker and try to wipe from the speaker some dirt that I can see there. And now also the second earbud. And this is it. I think we are completely done now, and let's imagine I have to wash my ear tips. Let me show you how to put them back. So these to put on are really easy. You would need to just find this central part and push it on your earbuds until you can see that they are completely put on. So here is it how it looks. You can also try to rotate it a few times to sit at the end of the earbuds, and this is it. Now let's also take the second ear tip and then just push it on the earbud. I could show it to you a little bit more closer. So I have this central part. I'll just push it on the earbud like this and then start rotating it. And this is it. We have successfully got on the ear tip and we have done the cleaning process. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.